Let's go to what happened yesterday. It was a quiet day. We had a couple of showers around. I think we had 3/10 of an inch of rain at the airport. Not bad. Upper 80s. We got to about 89 degrees for a high yesterday. But I'm telling you, it felt like the mid to upper 90s. And that's the dew point temperature. And that's not going to change. So moving forward over the next several days, it's just hot and humid with a few showers. 73 in Crystal River. I'm missing a bunch of temperatures today. I don't know why, but okay. Sarasota, you're at 77 degrees. And then we've got mid-70s inland, Polk, Hardy, DeSoto, and Highlands County. Off the East Coast, you see a bunch of rain. It kind of sticks out to you. That's moving away, so not a big deal. And off the West Coast, relatively quiet as well. We will get a few showers around today, but our overall rain chance is going to be in about the 40% range. And that's okay today and tomorrow because it does look like much of our state, well, when I say much, at least Central and South Florida are going to get very wet next week. We got Kirk over here as a hurricane. This is going to go out to sea, so it's not anything that we are overly concerned about at all. It could become a major hurricane, and you might see those headlines on social media. Kirk's a major hurricane. Don't worry about it, okay? It's going to go out to sea. Then there's this area. This is going to give forecasters fits because really all that's happening is we're just getting a lot of moisture to begin to pool in the Gulf of Mexico. And the conditions could allow for some slow development. And when I say slow, I mean it may take days to develop anything. But the models are also trending toward what we call sort of a disorganized rain event. Maybe a tropical depression or perhaps a tropical storm, but just bringing a lot of rain to the state of Florida. You see this red. This is deep tropical moisture, and it starts to move and starts to pool in the middle of the Gulf on Saturday. So watch as we roll through. But the entire Gulf of Mexico is going to be covered in rain this weekend, and most of it anyway. You start to see a low by Saturday trying to develop, but at the same time, upper level winds are going to be pretty hostile, which is a good thing to keep the development slow, if at all. With that said, by Sunday, here's your low right in the middle of the Gulf, but look at all the moisture associated with it. And it's all going to slide across the state. And in a path like that, Central and South Florida, depending upon how strong this gets, could see several inches of rain. And that's the last thing that really anybody needs after Helene is about 5 to 6 inches of rain. But Central and South Florida could be very wet early next week as a result of this. And it's just something we have to keep an eye on over and over again. The models are trying to develop something. And then the next run, they squash it back down. Then they bring it back up, then they squash it back down. Ultimately, though, that's just a lot of deep tropical moisture, and it's got to go someplace, and it's going to move across our state early next week. So more heat, a few scattered storms today, 90 degrees for a high, 77 tonight, kind of mild, kind of muggy, and tomorrow partly cloudy and hot. We'll hold on to that 40% rain chance and a high near 90 degrees. It's only Wednesday, so an event that may happen Monday or Tuesday will fine-tune itself in the next few days, and the rain chances will slowly go up this weekend as well.